I know Christmas is still a few months away, but let's be honest. The best holiday homes aren't thrown together at the last minute. The secret to having a cozy, beautiful, and expensive-looking Christmas on a budget is to start early. That's why today I'm sharing my favorite Dollar Tree Christmas hacks for 2025. Easy, affordable DIYs that will make your home feel straight out of a designer holiday catalog without draining your wallet. Hi friends, welcome back to Greenhaven Homes. If you love creating a warm, inviting home without overspending, you're in the right place. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my cozy home ideas. Now grab a notebook, and let's dive right into these genius hacks that will make this your best holiday season yet. Hack number 1: Luxe Ornament Clusters. One of the easiest ways to make your Christmas tree, mantel, or even staircase look like it was styled by a professional designer is by using ornament clusters. Instead of hanging ornaments one by one, group 3 to 5 ornaments together using floral wire or ribbon. Choose ornaments in different sizes, but in the same color palette for that high-end look. For example, mix matte, shiny and glittery golds or silvers together. This creates instant visual impact and makes even a simple tree look full and luxurious without buying tons of extra decor. You can also take these clusters beyond the tree. Try hanging them from your chandelier, attaching them to your stair banister with some ribbon, or even using them as gift toppers for presents. If you want to take it up a notch, add a sprig of faux greenery or berries from Dollar Tree between the ornaments to make the cluster look fuller. It's such an easy hack that makes your space feel like you hired a professional decorator, but all it cost you was a few dollars and a little creativity. Hack number 2: Glam Candle Centerpieces. Nothing sets the mood for Christmas quite like a beautiful candle centerpiece, and you can create one that looks expensive using just Dollar Tree items. Start with a clear glass vase, hurricane, or even a tall Dollar Tree candle holder as your base. Add Epsom salt to the bottom to mimic fresh snow, then place a white pillar candle or LED candle inside. Surround the candle with faux greenery, pine cones, or even small ornaments to add texture and interest. You can lightly spray the greenery with metallic gold or silver paint to give it a festive shimmer that looks store-bought. These centerpieces aren't just for your dining table. They look beautiful on a mantel, coffee table, or even in your entryway to welcome guests with a cozy glow. If you want to take it to the next level, make 3 in different heights and group them together for a designer-inspired vignette. This simple hack creates instant elegance in your home, and the best part is you can easily switch out the accents for other seasons, so it's decor that works year-round. Hack number 3: Upscale Gift Wrapping Station. One of the most overlooked parts of Christmas decorating is how we wrap our gifts, and yet beautifully wrapped presents can double as part of your holiday decor. Create a mini gift wrapping station using Dollar Tree bins, baskets, or even a small cart if you have one. Sort and store your wrapping paper, ribbons, tags, and tape, so they're all in one place. No more last-minute scrambling. Choose neutral wrapping paper, like craft paper or white paper, and pair it with rich ribbons like velvet or satin for a boutique-style look. Add small sprigs of faux greenery or cinnamon sticks under the ribbon for that custom designer touch. When you're done, display your wrapped gifts under the tree early. It makes your living room look like a scene straight out of a holiday magazine. You can also create color-coordinated themes for each family member, so everyone's gifts match the overall tree decor. This little hack saves time, reduces stress, and makes your home look effortlessly polished. And because everything came from Dollar Tree, you get that expensive look for just a few dollars per present. Hack number 4: Christmas Tree Fillers that wow. A common mistake people make when decorating a Christmas tree is relying only on ornaments, which can leave the tree looking flat and sparse. The secret to that lush, full designer look is using fillers, and you can make them yourself with Dollar Tree supplies. Pick up faux floral stems, berry picks, and greenery sprigs and cut them into smaller pieces. Then tuck them deep into the tree branches to create layers and dimension. Choose pieces in metallic tones or frosted finishes to add sparkle and reflect the lights on your tree beautifully. This hack works whether you have a small tree or a big one, and it can completely transform the overall look. You can even DIY your own custom picks by hot gluing Dollar Tree ornaments onto floral wire or skewers for a truly unique design. Fillers also help tie together the color scheme of your entire room. So if your decor is blush and gold this year, you can choose fillers in soft pinks and metallics for a coordinated effect. It's an inexpensive trick that instantly elevates your tree from simple to stunning. Hack number 5. $1 Snowy Village Display. There's something magical about a Christmas village glowing softly on a winter evening, and you can create that cozy charm for just a few dollars. Pick up Dollar Tree's little ceramic village houses or plastic miniatures and give them a quick makeover with white spray paint or chalk paint for a clean, cohesive look. Once they're dry, sprinkle some faux snow or baking soda around the base to create a wintry scene. Add Dollar Tree battery-operated tea lights inside each house to give them that warm, inviting glow without worrying about cords or fire hazards. Arrange your snowy village on a tray, a console table, or even your windowsill, so it becomes a charming focal point. You can add bottle brush trees, mini figurines, or small pine cones to bring your display to life. This hack is perfect if you have kids or grandkids, because they'll love helping arrange the little pieces and watching the glow at night. It looks so expensive and custom, but no one will believe it came from Dollar Tree. Hack number 6. Elegant Wreath Makeover. A wreath on your front door sets the tone for your entire home, and with just a few Dollar Tree finds, you can make it look like a high-end boutique piece. Start with a basic wreath form, or even one of their pre-made green wreaths as your base. Fluff out the branches to make it look fuller, then layer on faux greenery stems, berries, and pine cones for texture. Use a hot glue gun or floral wire to secure everything in place. Finish it with a wide ribbon bow in a neutral or metallic shade for that modern, elegant feel. If you want a more designer look, try going asymmetrical by concentrating most of the greenery and decorations on one side of the wreath and leaving part of the base exposed. This style is trending for 2025 and gives your door a fresh, sophisticated look. You can also make several mini wreaths to hang on interior doors, kitchen cabinets, or even over mirrors for a cohesive holiday theme throughout your home. It's an easy, inexpensive upgrade that makes a huge impact on your holiday decor. Hack number 7. Cozy Throw Blanket Upgrade. Nothing makes a space feel warm and inviting during the holidays like a soft throw blanket, and Dollar Tree fleece throws are the perfect budget-friendly starting point. To give them that expensive boutique look, try adding ribbon trim, fringe, or even pom-poms to the edges using a hot glue gun. You can also tie 2 throws together to make a bigger, cozier blanket. Choose colors that coordinate with your holiday decor. Creamy whites, deep greens, and rich reds are timeless options that make the room feel festive without being overwhelming. Once your upgraded throws are ready, drape them casually over your sofa, armchair, or even the foot of the bed to add texture and warmth. You can roll them up and place them in a basket near the fireplace for a cozy touch that looks styled and intentional. These little details go a long way in making your home feel like a curated winter retreat. And the best part is no one will guess you made them yourself, for just a few dollars. Hack number 8. Dollar Tree Hot Cocoa Bar. A hot cocoa bar instantly adds holiday cheer to your kitchen or dining space, and it's so easy to set up with Dollar Tree finds. Start with a simple tray or a Dollar Tree cutting board as your base. Add clear jars or small containers to hold cocoa mix, marshmallows, crushed candy canes, and chocolate chips. Dollar Tree mugs or festive paper cups are perfect for serving, and you can add chalkboard labels or printable tags to make it look organized and stylish. For an extra festive touch, tie ribbons around the jars or sprinkle faux snow on the tray. Place your cocoa bar in a spot where family and guests can easily help themselves. It becomes a fun, interactive part of your holiday gatherings. You can also add seasonal touches like cinnamon sticks, whipped cream, or caramel drizzle for a cafe-style experience. Not only does this make your home feel warm and welcoming, but it also saves you money compared to buying expensive specialty drinks outside. It's a little holiday luxury that feels indulgent but costs next to nothing. Hack number 9. Hanging ceiling decorations. If you really want to create that magical festive atmosphere, don't forget to decorate above eye level. Dollar Tree has plenty of lightweight ornaments, paper snowflakes, and star cutouts that you can turn into hanging ceiling decor. Use clear fishing line or thin ribbon to suspend them at different lengths from the ceiling, light fixtures, or even door frames. This creates the illusion that ornaments are floating in the air, adding a whimsical design quality touch to your holiday space. This hack is perfect for dining rooms, kids' rooms, or even a small party setup because it draws the eye upward and makes the whole room feel more festive. You can mix in battery-powered fairy lights for an extra twinkle effect at night. The best part is everything is lightweight and inexpensive, so you can experiment without fear of damaging anything. When the holidays are over, just snip the fishing line and pack everything away for next year. Hack number 10. DIY stocking name tags. Personalized stockings instantly make your mantle look special, and you can create your own name tags for just a few dollars. Pick up wooden tags, craft paper, or even plastic gift tags from Dollar Tree. Use paint pens, stickers, or glitter to write each family member's name in a fun, festive font. For a more elevated look, spray paint the tags gold or silver, then tie them to each stocking with velvet or satin ribbon. This little touch makes even the simplest stockings look custom-made. You can also get creative with shapes. Use mini cutting boards, ornaments, or wood slices as your base for a more rustic look. If you're hosting guests for the holidays, make temporary tags for them so they feel included when they see their name hanging on the mantle. It's a thoughtful detail that brings warmth to your holiday decor, and no one will guess it was such a budget-friendly project. Hack number 11. Holiday table charger plates. A beautiful holiday table always feels more polished when you add charger plates, and Dollar Tree has plenty of plain ones you can easily transform into something stunning. Choose a few chargers in a neutral color and give them a makeover with metallic spray paint, gold leaf, or even stenciled patterns. You can also decoupage them with holiday-themed napkins or wrapping paper for a completely custom look. These plates instantly make every place setting feel elevated, even if you're using simple white dishes. For an extra touch, layer a cloth napkin and a small piece of greenery or a mini ornament on top of the plate before placing your dinnerware. This simple styling trick makes your table look like it came straight out of a holiday catalog. And because everything came from Dollar Tree, you can afford to create a full set for every guest without overspending. Your dinner party will feel luxe and memorable, all while staying budget-friendly. Hack number 12. Festive wall art on a budget. Wall art can completely transform the feel of a room, and you don't have to spend a fortune to create a seasonal gallery wall. Dollar Tree has gorgeous holiday gift bags, cards, and even wrapping paper with beautiful designs that look like prints. Simply cut them to size and place them in Dollar Tree picture frames for an instant set of Christmas-themed artwork. You can hang them in a grid pattern for a modern look or scatter them throughout your home for little pops of holiday cheer. To make them look even more expensive, add ribbon bows to the frames, or mount them on foam board for a dimensional effect. This is a quick and easy way to decorate empty wall space, hallways, or above a console table without investing in expensive holiday decor. When the season is over, you can easily swap out the prints for new ones next year, or switch back to everyday art, making this a budget-friendly solution that keeps your home looking fresh year after year. Hack number 13. Christmas scent boosters. The smell of Christmas is just as important as the look, and you can easily make your home smell amazing using simple Dollar Tree ingredients. Create a DIY simmer pot by combining cinnamon sticks, whole cloves, orange slices, and a few drops of vanilla extract in a pot of water. Let it simmer on low heat, and within minutes, your entire house will be filled with the cozy scent of the holidays. You can also assemble small sachets with these ingredients and place them in drawers, closets, or even under the tree to keep the aroma lasting all season long. For a quick and easy option, fill a Dollar Tree mason jar with baking soda and add a few drops of essential oil and a holiday scent, like pine, peppermint, or cinnamon. Cover the jar with breathable fabric and place it in small spaces as a natural air freshener. These scent boosters make your home feel warm and inviting, and are a fraction of the cost of store-bought candles or sprays. Plus, they're completely customizable, so you can switch up the scents throughout the season. Hack number 14. Outdoor holiday glow. Your outdoor space sets the first impression for guests, and you can create a beautiful holiday glow without spending a fortune. Dollar Tree solar lights are a perfect starting point. Wrap them with faux greenery, or place them inside lanterns to line your porch, walkway, or driveway. You can also pick up their plastic snowflakes, stars, or ornaments, and hang them from tree branches with fishing line for a magical floating effect at night. The solar lights automatically turn on when the sun sets, giving your home a warm, welcoming glow with zero extra electricity cost. For an even more elegant look, place battery-operated candles inside Dollar Tree glass vases, and arrange them in groups on your steps or porch railings. Add faux snow, pine cones, or ribbon to the base of each display to make them look curated and intentional. This is an affordable way to make your outdoor space feel festive and inviting, and it can be done in less than an afternoon. Your neighbors will think you hired a professional decorator, but you'll know it was all thanks to a few clever Dollar Tree finds. Hack number 15. Last-minute hostess gifts. Nothing feels better than showing up to a holiday party with a thoughtful gift, and Dollar Tree makes it easy to create something beautiful without breaking the bank. Start with one of their small baskets, boxes, or gift bags as your base. Fill it with themed goodies. For example, you can make a hot cocoa kit with cocoa packets, marshmallows, candy canes, and a cute mug. Wrap the whole thing in Dollar Tree cellophane, and finish it with a pretty ribbon or bow. It instantly looks polished and thoughtful, even if you put it together at the last minute. You can also create spa-themed baskets, with bath bombs, candles, and cozy socks, or a baking basket with measuring spoons, cookie cutters, and sprinkles. These little gift sets look high-end, but cost just a few dollars, and they save you from scrambling to find something last minute at the store. It's a perfect way to spread holiday cheer while staying on budget, and your hosts will appreciate the personal touch. And there you have it, 15 Dollar Tree Christmas hacks that prove you don't need to spend a fortune to have a holiday home that looks warm, welcoming, and expensive. From your tree to your table, to those little finishing touches, these ideas will help you create a magical Christmas that feels effortless but looks stunning. I'd love to know which hack you're most excited to try first. Tell me in the comments below, so we can inspire each other. If this video gave you ideas, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves budget-friendly decor, and make sure you're subscribed to Green Haven Homes, so you never miss my holiday inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating, and may your Christmas season be as beautiful as the home you create.